What's a pirate minus the ship? Just a creative homeless guy, an anteater plus a large hungry mutant ant, an ironic way to die. And what's domain? A domain range, a kid with too much in his pants, and 2 balls and minus 1, 6 titles and a Tour de France. Split a decision with a long division, take the circumference of your circumcision, live it like your data, and when you're all set, put it all together and whatever you get, it's new math. What's a bag of chips divided by 5? Well, that's a Nike worker's meal, and Santa Claus multiplied by I. Well, I guess that makes him real. And the square root of the NBA is Africa in a box. How do you trace a scatter plot? You give the pencil to Michael J. Fox. Take the approximate and moral proportion of the probable problem of a pro-life abortion. Live it like your data, and when you're all set, put it all together and whatever you get, it's new math. It's new math. And if you made a factor tree of the factors that caused my girl to leave me, you'd have a tree full of Asian porn. C-A-L, see you later. Mathematical minds make industrial smog. And what's the opposite of LNX? Duraflame, the unnatural log. Support the farmers with a protractor. Link Kennedy and Lincoln with a common factor. Live it like your data, and when you're all set, put it all together. Word problems, apparently. If there's a fat guy in a pastry shop with a $20 bill and he's ready to buy, in order to predict his volume change, you need to know the value of pi. And there's a metal train that's a mile long, and at the very back end, a lightning bolt struck her. How long till it reaches and kills the driver, provided that he is a good conductor. Every 10% of men are gay, 20% of men are Chinese. What are the odds that a man chosen a Adreno spends his free time at mealtime while on his knees? And if Kim is half as old as Bobby, who is 2 years older than 12-year-old Tori, for how many more 30 days, months, will the threesomes will be considered statutory rape? Cause having sex is like a quadratic expansion. If it can be split, then it's time to stop. And having sex is like doing fractions. It's a proverb for the larger ones to be on top. And having sex is like math homework. I do it best when I'm alone in my bed. And squaring numbers are just like women. If they're under 13, just do them in your head.